Good afternoon and welcome to this episode of Gardener's World. As you can see, we've been doing some... Actually, no, we've not been doing some gardening. We've been doing some welding. This is far more interesting. Right, yes, so what we've been doing. Finally, the weather's been nice enough to get out here a little bit and do some welding on the swing arm. Bearing in mind, it's about 15 years since I last did any welding, and I've got a brand new welder, which I'm getting used to. I'm actually quite happy with that. This ain't too bad at all. Only a couple of bits that blew through, which I filled in, and generally it's not too pigeon shitty. So hopefully you can see that. But yeah, that's not so bad. Right, let's get the angle grinder out, let's dress it up a little bit. I'm happy with that. So now I've dressed it up a little bit, it's made it look a little bit nicer, but it's nice and solid. I've also just been dressing the other side a little bit to get rid of some of the rust pitting, because this is now going to go back for blasting and re-powder coating. So I've just got to get some emery on that, smooth it up a little bit, and we're sorted. Welcome to a shiny engine, all silvery. Yes, I did go with this slightly more silvery paint in the end. Yes, I did spend forever masking everything up, but she's now painted. She's now looking pretty good. Not looking bad at all. So there we go, folks, that's the engine painted up. Next step is to remove all of the masking and then start to strip off the alloy covers and start burrowing down, doing things more mechanical minded, replacing seals and such like. One shiny engine, we have progress. I've got the clutch cover off, which really didn't want to come off. That was well and truly welded on there. There be the clutch cover. I took off the cover on the other side as well, around the starter motor. Been fitting various sensors, bits and bobs, like the oil filter back on. Mainly put the oil filter on because it was leaking everywhere. As you can tell, the engine's all nicely cleaned up. All the masking tape and everything is off now. It's looking quite nice. Everything's looking really, really good inside here. You know, the condition of the various cogs and everything I can see in here is looking absolutely spot on. Looks almost new, frankly. So that's quite good. I'll put that back on when I've got two hands to do so. The alternator as well, that all came off. Cleaning all that up. Cleaning up various bits and bobs engine wise. So water pipe bits and bobs. I'm waiting for some more parts to arrive. I've got some parts already. Do need to tidy up. Oh yes, so the chrome. Got a quote for one company for all that various things there to be re-chromed. £1,300. So I need to look at alternatives, see if I can get any of the bits new from Japan cheaper than having them re-chromed. So I've got another quote out with Issei car at the moment. There's the alternator cover in there. That all needs polishing up. So it's all come apart fine. Just needs a good polish. That's about the progress so far. See you next time, folks. Bye now.